again. So guys, in this video we will see how to set up Linksky RE6300 Wi-Fi extender setup. For setup, first of all guys, you simply go and power on your extender. Plug your extender in the wall outlet close to your router. Wait until the front lights blinking amber, which means the extender is ready for setup. After that, press the VPS button and within 2 minutes, press the VPS button located on the side of your links key. Then the front indicator lights will blink while the extender connected to the router. After that, verify the connection. Wait for the indicator lights to turn the solid green. For the dual band router, repeat WPS process to connect the extender to the Wi-Fi band. After that, reposition the extender. Unplug the extender and move it approximately half between the router and the area with a weak Wi-Fi signal. Solid green mean the extender is properly connected. Amber mean extender is too far from the router, and blinking amber mean extender is not connected to your router. After that, method 2 is set up Wi-Fi a web browser. Method 2, using your web browser, first of all plug your RE6300 into the outlet. Then simply open computer and the Wi-Fi and go to the one URL which is 192.168.1.1. Okay, after go here, you see enter setup page should appear. Then accept the license and term condition, then select the wireless range extender and allow the extender to scan the nearby Wi-Fi network. And guys, also select your router with 2.4 GHz network and the 5 GHz network. For dual band, select only the display both Wi-Fi bands when available. Okay, then guys, follow the on-screen prompts. Then if the connection is weak, move to the extender close to the router. After that, create an administrative password to protect the extender setting. Click the option of save next to complete. Open the Wi-Fi setting on your camera, computer and the smart TV or other devices. Then select the newly created extended Wi-Fi network and enter its password. This is the way that you can set up your extender. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.